Happy Monday, my friends. I hope everyone is doing well. We are starting off another week strong with more work from home job leads. And this one is again non-phone. But before we get into it, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis, so make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another upload. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Drip, and they are hiring a support specialist. Now, this is work from home remote for my United States folks only, and support does not have to mean being tied to the phones taking inbound calls. This one is non-phone, email, and chat related. So they are looking for someone to be a part of their small team, helping provide technical guidance and support for their customers. So they are looking for someone to specifically work the hours of 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. So you'll have to convert that time zone if you are outside of the Central Time Zone to your time zone to see if those hours will work for you. And this is a Monday through Friday job, so no weekends are required. They are wanting someone to excel independently as a team when working to resolve real customer problems and delivering full solutions. You'll respond to a high volume of support inquiries through multiple channels that include email, chat, and social media. So these are all written form channels, no phones. You'll contribute to the growing knowledge network. You'll provide and make up resources to answer and improve resolutions for customers and the team. And you'll try to stay ahead of the curve. Their product is always evolving, and the goal is to stay up to date with all the new features and integrations so that you can help the customers with questions. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. They do want someone who's a solid technical aptitude, someone who has a tech support background or a history of being a self-starter with technical knowledge. They want someone who is empathetic and who, of course, loves technology and helping others. Someone who has a passion for internally and externally helping others, and someone who has great written and verbal communication skills and strong attention to detail. Now, this position does pay really well to be a chat, not phone position. It is paying $21 an hour, and on top of the competitive pay, it says they also offer benefits and equity, and it also says they offer the chance to learn from some of the best in the business, including some of the leadership team. So it does look like there might be opportunity for growth. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.